Shri Pramod Navalkar is one of the most popular and loved cultural minister Maharashtra must ever had. His popularity extends to all sections of society and press. I greatly admire his ability to take instant decision. He is a man always on the move, and the amount of action he assimilates in one single day is something I have always envied. I used to consider myself a workaholic, but after seeing him at work, I believe I have a long way to go. He is an outstanding writer who has set the distinct and unique record of writing a column which is being published in Nav Shakti on every single day since last 40 years. He is also recipient of Priyadarshini Award for outstanding contribution to investigate journalism. I have been bothering Shri Pramod Navalkar from last 1.5 months. And I have seen the way he works. I don't know what stamina he has. And so many people come and see him every day, all going happily. People whose work has been done, they are happy. Those work he is not able to do, they are more happy. So I asked him, Navalkar ji, please tell me, what is the secret of your success? He said, I feel jealous. I have yet to see any person talking against you. Everybody is talking volumes and volumes about you, praising you. I said, can you share this secret with me? He said, I carry two things always with me. One is ice and another is sugar. Ice I keep on my head and sugar I keep in my mouth. And that I made a resolution. Next time when I see him, I will also carry ice and sugar with me. This function would not have seen the light of the day. I don't know how to thank him, and I am indebted to him. Shri Subir Chaudhary, the Sheriff of Mumbai, is involved with various activities such as promoting the welfare of children and care for senior citizens, especially concerned with social problems that plague our beloved Mumbai. I welcome Shri Ramrao Adik ji, Srimati Prabha Rao, Mr. Nana Chudasama, Dada Sahab Rupwate, Dr. Rashmi Mayur, who had a long association with Priyadarshini Academy. In fact, right from its inception, we had the unwavering support and guidance of these distinguished personalities. They have been the backbone of Academy, and with their support, without their support, it would not have been possible for Academy to accomplish its goal. Meenakshi Seshadri ji, a talented actress, a versatile classical dancer, is ever ready to lend helping hand for any good cause. The Academy has had a long association with her, and she has been involved in many of our activities. Shri Srichand Hinduja, I don't think this audience needs an introduction. He has the distinction of being the only Indian who has brought so many NRIs, particularly from Sindhi community, under one roof, Indus Ind. Indians by nature do not easily accept leadership of others, but Srichand has achieved this with Indus Ind. He created this organization realizing the need to mobilize the resources of Indians worldwide in form of collective economic platform. The Indus Ind Bank has broken all the previous records by showing the highest net profit in the history of private sector banks in India. He aims to bring billions of dollars worth of investment in India through Indus Ind and his group. Shri Hari Lila, we call him Dada, is a very well-known and most respected name in the NRI community. He is the chairman of vast Hari Lila group of companies in Hong Kong, inclusive of Holiday Inn chain of hotels, and responsible for building the Hari Lila empire. He has the distinction of being the only Indian to be appointed as an advisor to the Chinese government on Hong Kong affairs. He was also appointed by both British and Chinese to draft the basic law, which is a mini constitution for Hong Kong. He is well known for his philanthropic activities, and his contribution to Indian community in Hong Kong is commendable. I am also happy that Mrs. Padma Harilila is also with us today.